Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create stories with Atlassian Intelligence in Jira. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that can significantly enhance how you manage your projects in Jira. Have you ever found yourself bogged down by the repetitive task of manually creating stories and tasks in your project management workflow? If so, you're not alone. The process can be quite time-consuming and prone to human error. But fear not, because Atlassian Intelligence is here to simplify this process for you, making it not only quicker, but also more efficient and precise. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to effortlessly create stories in Jira using this powerful AI tool, transforming your project management experience. Let's get started with the first step. Begin by navigating to your Jira project environment. Here you'll want to locate the specific epic for which you intend to create new stories or tasks. In Jira, an epic acts as a high-level container that holds your project milestones. It allows you to organize related stories and tasks in a manner that aligns with your project objectives. To find your epic, you can either scroll through your existing list of epics or utilize the search function to quickly bring it up, especially if you have a long list of epics. Once you've found the epic you're looking for, click on it to open it up and reveal its various options. With the epic open, you're now ready to manage and expand your work items. Look for the option labeled Add Child Work Item. This is a crucial feature, as child work items are essentially the stories or tasks that fall under your epic. They help you break down your project into smaller, more manageable parts, enabling you to track progress more effectively. By clicking this option, you're setting the stage for creating detailed stories that will guide the development or realization of your project. Now let's explore where Atlassian Intelligence comes into play. As you gaze upon the interface, you will notice a Suggest button. This is your gateway to leveraging the AI capabilities of Atlassian Intelligence. Click on this button and let the AI technology do its magic. Designed to work intelligently, this tool analyzes the summary and description you've entered for your epic. It then generates appropriate child work items that align with your project goals and tasks at hand. It's quite fascinating how the AI can grasp the nuances of your input and propose relevant items for you to consider. Once the AI has crafted its suggestions, you'll be presented with a list of recommended child work items. Take a moment to thoughtfully review these suggestions to ensure they align with your project's needs. If you're satisfied with what the AI has proposed, simply click the Insert button. And just like that, you've successfully added new stories or tasks to your epic swiftly and efficiently, saving you both time and effort. Using Atlassian Intelligence to generate stories or tasks not only accelerates the planning process, but also helps ensure that the work items are relevant and aligned with your overarching project goals. The AI's capacity to understand and interpret project details provides a solid foundation for your project management efforts. Remember, while you can always tweak the AI's suggestions if necessary, let this tool do the heavy lifting, giving you a great starting point. In just a few simple steps, you've enhanced your project management workflow with the power of Atlassian Intelligence, keeping your projects on track and your team more productive. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to create stories with Atlassian Intelligence in Jira. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PNN Online and never miss an update.